What's up YouTube? Got a new sneaker pickup and unboxing I want to share with you guys today. As you read by the title, these are from Nike and they are a custom one-of-one sneaker and I'm really excited to show it to you guys. So these actually took a little while to come in. I placed an order on these just about a month ago and nearly 30 days later they finally arrived at my doorstep. This will be my genuine first look and first impression of these sneakers, so I have no idea how they're going to turn out, but hopefully good. I'm really excited and let's just get into it. Alright, so as I'm unboxing this thing, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So if you're into Nike and enjoy Nike pickups, be sure to check out my channel. I have other Nike pickups in there as well. And yeah, Nike by You shoebox. Here we go. Whew, these are sick. Man, first look of these. Oh man, I'm so excited. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Don't smell great, honestly, but aside from the smell test, man, first look, I am freaking hyped. So here it is, my custom sneaker from Nike that I created through their Nike by You program. In case you didn't know, they did a collaboration with Pendleton recently in which you have the option to customize your own Air Force 1 or Air Max 97 with the Pendleton fabrics and patterns and colorways. So in all honesty, I didn't know much about Pendleton as a company, but in a nutshell, I believe they are a company based out in the Pacific Northwest and they specialize in outsourcing premium wool products. So they sell a variety of products from men's clothing to women's clothing, but they're especially known for their blankets, pillows, throws, and other home goods. With that being said, let's get into the breakdown of this creation. So with these being a Pendleton collaboration, I just had to go with their signature Pendleton stripes fabric. I basically outlined the majority of the shoe with their Pendleton stripes, and they named it the light Pendleton Scout Stripes. I pretty much used that fabric in the majority of the shoe, from the toe box to the front of the toe area, to the eye stays, and even to the rear part of the shoe. The fabric they used on these Pendleton stripes definitely feels like a soft wool material. Now as we move up to the tongue, I decided to go with this dark gray / olive colorway, but this tongue is made of leather. Nice detail on the tongue also is this leather patch on top with the Nike Air logo embossed on top of there. As we migrate to the mid panel of the shoe, I decided to go with another leather material, but this colorway is more of like this off-white / oatmeal colorway. For the swoosh and the back tab, I decided to go with a golden suede. I thought this was a nice contrast to the mid panel and the shoe, but it's also a nice complement to the very subtle yellow hits on the Pendleton stripes fabric. Moving down to the midsole of the shoe, I went with the sail colorway according to the website, but it pretty much just looks white. And as we move to the bottom of the shoe, the outsole, I went with the dark gray and olive colorway to match the same color as the tongue. To finish off the shoe, I decided to top these shoes off with some oatmeal laces. The cool thing about these laces actually is they come with these nice black aglets at the tips, but the downside is these aglets look kind of cheap because they already have some paint cracking off of them. And just one more detail to finish these off is they do include a nice leather hang tag on the left side of my shoe anyway, and it has a cool little logo on there with the Nike swoosh as well as some mountains on top. You actually have the option to customize these on the Nike by You website, but I think they only limit to 3 characters on this thing. But for me, I just had no idea what I wanted to customize or write on there. I thought all the ideas would have just came off like kind of corny or just I had nothing creative to do with it, so I decided to just leave it blank and just have the stock tag, I guess, included. But I'm glad I did because this is in itself a cool logo. All in all, I'm really happy with how these turned out. I think they really exceeded my expectations. I'm just really excited to eventually rock these for the winter. I think these sneakers are definitely a winter essential, at least for me. Definitely has that chilly weather theme to it with the wool materials and the colorway, and the Air Force 1 is just a nice overall fall winter sneaker. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the creation. How did I do? Is there something different you guys would have done? Are you a fan of the Pendleton collab with Nike? Basically, I would love to know what you guys would have done in terms of your own creation because custom sneakers are just freaking cool. and everyone has their own unique spin and taste on things, so let me know. If you made it this far into the video, please do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button, like the video, and again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My channel is focused on sneakers and fashion, so if you're into more Nike pickups, be sure to subscribe for more. While you're at it, check out my 2 previous videos here and here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.